Rowing machine. This is a full body exercise. To perform this one correctly, begin by adjusting the dial to your required resistance. Strap in your feet and grab the handle so it sits at lower rib height. Straighten your legs as your upper body leans back slightly. Bend your knees to slide forward with your thighs all the way to your chest. Push back through your feet to straighten legs and lean slightly back again, pulling the handle towards your body. Keep your core engaged the entire time. Avoid pulling too soon. Avoid rounding your back, and avoid using your arms to do all the work.